In this video, I'll show you how to reset the control center on iOS 18. Currently, I have a customized control center with various added tiles. Let's proceed with resetting these settings. First, open the Settings app on your device. Then, find and open the Control Center section. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, tap the Reset Control Center button. Confirm your choice when prompted. As you can see, the control center has been reset. Thank you for watching.